So now we're going to learn some basic Git commands. And to do that, right, like the first one is you want to get into your folder. And so mine is in cd temp. And so in here, ls-la, we've learned that. I can see there's a .git and a .git ignore. .git is the hidden folder. When you see the dot in front of it, it means it's a hidden folder, hidden directory. And .git is what makes this a GitHub repo. Everything in this folder and any folder under it is going to be tracked by Git. .git ignore is telling Git to ignore some stuff. One of the things I'm ignoring are like WebStorm things and you know, JetBrains things. So I'm ignoring WebStorm stuff, right? And I'm ignoring JetBrains stuff. I don't want like what JetBrains keeps track of, whether it's WebStorm or GoLand. You know, it has its own hidden folder to keep track of the editor. I don't want all the changes in that track. So I'm saying ignore that. If I didn't want images to come up, I'd say, hey, ignore PNGs and JPEGs. The little pound sign here says this is commented out, meaning it's not reading that. But I am ignoring MP4s, MP3s, and OGGs, which sounds kind of gangsta. So I have those in there. If I created a new file, so I'll just nano new thing, something, Control X, yes, enter. Right now, LSLA, I got that something new thing. If I do a Git Status, so this is the first command, Git Status. It gives me the status. Read it. On branch master, there's different branches. You're not going to worry about that in this class. You're only going to work on master. Your branch is up to date with origin master. Origin is the place from which everything originates. I have no idea why it's saying it's up to date because I just added a new file. Oh, but it's not tracking that file. Use Git Add File, and triple dots means and any other stuff you want to add, to include what will be committed. Nothing adds a commit, but untracked files present. Git add -- all. Okay? So I'm adding everything. Or I could specify the file names. I'm going to do it that way. Git add -- all. There's a couple different ways you could do it. Make sure you have both dashes. There's 2 dashes there. Now if I do a Git Status, on branch master, your branch is up to date with origin master. Changes to be committed. Git reset head to unstage. Kind of telling you, like, oh, if I didn't want that stage, I could git reset head and give it the file name or file names, and it will unstage them. Use stage stuff to be committed in GitHub. So GitHub has levels. There's things that are untracked. And then you say git add that thing, git add -- all. And it goes to a staging area. And then you commit it. And then you push it. And the reason you do that, there's a reason for it, but I don't think you're ready for it. So now that's gone from not being tracked, git add alls, to the stage area. Now I could do a git commit -m, second commit, you know, adds new thing file. So you want to have your commits usually mean something. So that's been added. Adds a new thing file. Now if I do a git status, and I need to add that command in here, git commit -m something here. And now my git status. Your branch is ahead of origin master by 1 commit. Git push to publish your local commits. Nothing to commit, working true and clean. So I'm going to do git push. Now it wants me, because I'm all HTTPS, wants me to enter my username and password. So I'm going to just escape from that. Go CD up a level, go remove recursively force temp, and then git clone. CD and temp, for example, nano new thing, Control X, yes, and git add -- all, git commit -n, new thing file at file, git push. So now that's up there. New thing. And that's the workflow. You create something. So usually I'll be in my editor and index.html, right? And then I'll be like, doc type. Was it HTML? And then, oh, I got, which is first? Okay, cool. And then HTML. It's kind of fun trying to just do it without, right? Like whatever, I code my whole page. Obviously, I'm going to do it in my editor much faster. And then I do git add -- all, git commit -m, adds index changes, git push. Right, so it's just git add, git commit, git push, and then it's up there. So I think that's it for GitHub. Git status, git add, git commit, git push.
I finally got back in.
Huh?
I said I finally got back in my GitHub.
Fine. What? You got in?
Yeah.
Cool. Sweet, man. So those are like GitHub basic Git commands. Git status, git add, git commit -m, git push. So that's the basic workflow.